honestly, wala akong kabalo may speech na dito sa buong. Sige na lang. It's really a great honor na maging president liwat for CIA. So, ikalawa ko siya na president. The first was 2008 and Zangyak, and the second president was Jirlo. And last Sunday lang, nag-elect kami liwat, and I was blessed na pili ko liwat as the president. So, I gisinatakaan sa akin. But then, anyway, being the president of CIA is indeed a very fulfilling position. It's because kanami lang tawanin yung mga young people, ginalid mong young people to Christ. And that kanami katama sa ilang acceptance sa imo. But then, the success of the CIA is not because lang sa akon, but because of my officers and the whole youth of Negros Occidental. And then, because of that, I challenge ang ako mga fellow youth that we will stand on our commitment sa pledge sa kanina. Alright? So, thank you very much and good night.